Do not export your database directly from outside. If you do so, you will face problems when importing it back. To export it correctly, go to your database. Inside it, select your tables. From Options menu, select Export. Now you will be able to restore your database even if you migrate to another hosting. Then just simply create a database, go inside it, click Import, choose your file from local storage, click Go, and you are all done. Wishing you best of luck for backup and restore. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.